Hi friends, welcome to another Sketchware tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a loading page on your Android app. As you can see, in most of the Android apps, when you request the app to do something, to do the process, um, it shows a loading activity, that is a circle is rotating, and after some time the action is finishing, it is stops rotating, and you have to move to another page, and I'll show you how to do that in the Sketchware. To do that, open the app Sketchware and start with a new project. I'm going to name it as loading, as it's a loading tutorial, and here I'm taking two pages, and here I'm taking page as page, that's it, and here I'm taking button and an image view simply. Now I'm going to modify the properties, sorry, layout width to match parent and layout height to wrap content, and let me name it as move to page 1, that's it, and let me increase the size to 25 sp, that's it. And here, what about if I take this image view, layout gravity to center horizontal, center vertical, gravity to center horizontal, center vertical, that's it. And now I'm going to import an image from my mobile phone. Let me take this from this, and here, as you can see, this is a circular loading button, and here default, I said I changed the default image to loading page, that's it. It's looking fine, and I changed the background color to white, that's it. As you can see now, it looks something, look. And whenever I press the button move to page 1, the loading image has to rotate sometime, and after the certain action has been performed, after certain time it has to move to page 1. So let's move to the logic. No, let me change something in page 1. Let me write something in page 1. uh, Loading activity tutorial, that's it. This is page 1, and let's move to the logic section. This is the main activity.java. To do the loading activity, you have to add two timer components, one for animation and another for moving page after certain time frame. So I'm writing this animation and move, and to move pages from one to another I have to use a intent component, and I remove this event, and when button 1 is clicked, timer task move after 6000 milliseconds, 60,000 milliseconds, that is 6 seconds, you have to move to the page 1. So that's it, and you have to start the present activity, and let's finish the present activity, that's it. And no, you have to add timer for animation also. So to do that, timer task after 0 milliseconds, here I am using the timer of animation. For every 10 milliseconds I have to create a new variable which is a number itself, and I am going to name is rotate, and when button 1 is clicked, set rotate to 1 and go to the view component and go to set rotation of image view 1 to variable rotation and increase the rotation by 1. That's it, and let's run the app and see whether it is working or not. Let's install the app, and as you can see now, the loading activity is not rotating, and when I press move to page 1 button, it starts loading, and after certain time frame, that is 6 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5 6 seconds, it has to move to page 1. It's not moving to page 1. I did something mistake here, and let's try to rectify it now. Let's go back to the Sketchware, and I did something mistake. Which mistake I did? Actually, I accidentally named to 6000 milliseconds, which is 1 minute. So I'm going to made 6000 seconds, that is 6 seconds itself, and let's update the app. Very funny. And update the app, and now as you can see now, I'm going to press the move to page 1 and let's start to count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After 6 seconds, as you can see, it automatically moves to page 1, in which I write a content loading activity tutorial, and you can do something very nice, interesting. That's it. And on activity create, you have to hide this image view on activity create, and when button 1 is clicked, you have to show this image view then. That's it, and let's run the app and see some nice requirements. As you can see now, there is no image view here, and when only I press the move to page 1 button, then only it appears and it starts loading. As you can see now, it's loading, and after automatically 6 seconds it moves to page 1. That's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.